Are you still struggling with how to style your fussy natural hair? Well, this is a very easy and beautiful style you can do in 2 minutes. So, first of all, just brush your hair upwards and make sure the hair is stretched or blown out so that it will be easy for you to do this. Then, after that, you can take out a side like this, twist it, although this is optional, but if you like, you can do this. It adds beauty to the hairstyle. So, comb it through and twist it down. So for me, the length of the twist was too long, so I had to wrap the tip. So this is also optional. They don't want it to be too long, so I had to form a knot at the tip using my hair, and this made it shorter. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Next, I'm going to style the hair. I want that C parting. So you can do center parting, side parting, whatever parts you want. So after that, I'll just brush the hair downward and upward. I hope you understand what I mean. Next, I'll start weaving. I'll start doing the cornrow. So I'll just weave it like that until I get to the middle. And notice how I'm doing it. I'm taking it upwards. As I'm weaving it, as if I'm brushing the front part, I am taking it upwards. I'm taking the cornrows to the top. Although if you bring it down, it is still going to be fine, but it's going to be another style. So for today's style, I'm taking it upwards, and make sure that the cornrow is not tight. I made it quite free because I don't like tension on my scalp. So I don't know if you noticed, here my hand was paining me. It is not that easy, but it is easy. If you're really good with cornrows, then you don't have any issue with this. So for the back, just make sure you're bringing it up. Just weave it upwards, brush the back upwards, and weave. So when I get to the middle of that back section, I'll just stop there and braid the tip. So here I'm just braiding the tip of the hair. So I'm done with that side. So for this, you can decide to leave it, put it behind, but I decided to push it into the cornrow. That is what I had in mind. Next, you go over to the other side and do the same thing. So you can see how slant it looks. So that is how I wanted it. I didn't want to do the regular one, so I wanted the slant, and I got it. So now that we are done with the two sides, we are just going to cross it over each other like this and pin it down. So just hide the tips and pin everything down. So after you're done, you can go ahead and do the finishing touches, like using edge control, and wherever it's sticking out, you fix that in, brush the hair, and you are done. So this is what the hair looks like. I hope you love it. Tell me what you think about the hairstyle. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're yet to do so. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.